Hi, my name's Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
We teach at Uptown Swing. We teach the level 2 course, Charleston.
Charleston. We did a lot of review for stuff that you guys already knew, shined it up, it was looking super good, and then we took that, dove into a new move.
That's right. Should we just do that new move?
Yes, we should.
Okay, we'll do it like this. We'll do it at the camera so they see it.
Dynamic.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Might have been a little close for the footwork, but it's a double roll forward or single roll forward and a skip up at the end. That's kind of the shape.
Yeah. And then Jeremy gave you guys some homework.
Yeah, the homework was go be by yourself, turn on some music, and kick in a circle and kick 4 different ways. Kick, do kicks forward with your left, okay? Kick backwards with your right, which is the same clockwise motion, and then go the other way. So those 4 different turns and kicks will help you. Make sure that your standing leg has a little tap to it on each step, and you should be ready for next class. Bye-bye.